If you've opened QuickBooks lately, you may have noticed something new. Intuit's AI agents popping up in your dashboard. So what exactly are AI agents, and should bookkeepers be worried? Hi, I'm Veronica Wasek, the unstoppable introvert and founder of 5-Minute Bookkeeping. I help virtual bookkeepers become confident professionals and thriving business owners. Let's talk about something that's causing a lot of confusion right now, bookkeeping AI agents. You've probably heard the term pop up recently, especially with QuickBooks rolling out Intuit Assist. But what exactly are AI agents, and should bookkeepers be concerned? Let's break it down. Bookkeeping AI agents are tools built with artificial intelligence that are designed to do specific tasks on their own. Things like categorizing transactions, summarizing reports, answering basic financial questions, or flagging unusual activity. So far, Intuit's AI agents include accounting agent, payments agent, and finance agent. Customer agent and project management agent are in beta. You can access most of the AI agents if you have the Essentials, Plus, and Advanced versions. So far, we don't have a lot of information about what each of these do, but in theory, they're supposed to reduce manual tasks. All of that sounds promising, right? And eventually it could be. But here's the reality. These AI tools are still in their early stages, and what I'm hearing right now is that the AI agents aren't quite there yet, and they're causing more work. Some of this reaction may be due to bookkeepers not liking change. As we know, bookkeepers don't like change. And some of the frustration may come from the fact that these tools change how we're used to working. And not everyone welcomes that kind of disruption. So should bookkeepers be worried? Not really, but you should be aware. Right now, bookkeeping AI agents are not a replacement for your professional judgment, and they're not replacing bookkeepers. They're more like new technology that needs guidance. It's important that we share our feedback, both the good and the not so good, with Intuit and other app developers so that they can improve how these bookkeeping AI agents actually work in the real world. If you've tried QBO's AI agents or Intuit Assist, I'd love to hear your experience. Have they helped? Have they caused issues? Let me know in the comments. I know that a lot of bookkeepers are wondering the same thing. And check the description below to learn about my free resources and my online academy for bookkeepers. And stay tuned for more content on AI for bookkeepers. I'll see you next time.